Today we're looking at the Skyrover X1. We've got an unboxing as well as some specs to go over here before we dive right into this thing. Now this is going to be basically a DJI Mini 4 Pro alternative. Right out of the box, the first thing you're going to notice is the size and the weight, comparable, and it's under 249 grams, which means you don't need to register it in most regions, including Canada. Now that there's the bans and stuff happening in the States, this is going to be a great alternative and maybe one of the only alternatives. The design is compact, it's foldable, it slips into your pocket or into the included bag when you go with the combo here. Now, despite its small size, it's actually rated for level 5 wind resistance. And that means it can handle gusts up to about 38 kilometers an hour, which is a lot. You really don't want to be flying in that much wind, of course, if any wind, but no, it's capable. Now let's talk about the camera. The X1 uses a 1/1.32 inch CMOS sensor. It records 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second, giving you nice, smooth, detailed footage. For stills, it can capture up to 8K resolution. And there's also a vertical shooting mode built in, so you can record content ready for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts without cropping or editing. Flight performance is solid, you'll see more in upcoming videos, and each battery is going to give you around 32 minutes of flight time. Now, realistically, I expect somewhere in the 25 mark, but that is really good battery life. Transmission range up to 15 kilometers or about 50,000 feet, so you can fly far, far away while keeping a stable connection. Definitely don't fly that far, ever, period. The drone also features 360-degree obstacle avoidance, which is a big deal, especially if you're getting started out in drones. Now, this is going to give you extra confidence when you're flying in tight spaces or complex environments. And of course, it includes GPS return to home, so if you lose your signal or run low on battery, it will automatically come back to you. That's a big deal. Chatting about the controller quickly, it folds out to hold your phone, it doesn't have a dedicated screen, and it gives you a nice clear live feed from the drone's camera. It's got all the buttons and everything you really need. If you are comparing it to the DJI Mini series, this thing is pretty much an exact replica. Now, price-wise, the X1 retails for around $799 US, but it's often discounted closer to the $550 or $600 mark. That positions it to be a direct competitor with, like I said, the DJI Mini 4 series. The specs are very comparable at a lower price point. Guys, summing up, before we dive in here when it finally stops raining to get some awesome footage, the X1 is a lightweight, foldable, packed with feature, 4K HDR, 8K still, vertical shooting, 32 minute of flight time, 15 kilometer, full obstacle avoidance, awesome little sub 250 gram drone that's going to be great for creators and definitely for new people or people who really don't want to dump a ton of money into a drone and get some decent results. Make sure you check out my full in-depth review on this drone and make sure you drop all your questions and your comments down below. I will drop an affiliate link with any promo codes and discounts that I can find for you. And like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.